Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, and we'll also look at dollar index and today's economic calendar. I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. Please use these levels as a reference for deciding on your entry and exit on your trades. I'm in hourly time frame of dollar index. So when we look at the price action in dollar index, it is still in a very nice bullish trend, and here it has taken resistance at the level of 96.299 and it is on a retracement and taking support on the support level of 95.865. This level had acted as a very strong support previously also, and currently also the price action is taking support on this level. And overall, when we look at the price action, previously it was taking support on this trend line from the higher time frame and started its bullish trend, and again when it retraced also it took support on this support line or the trend line from the higher time frame. So from here when we compare it, it has gone up, retrace, took support, again gone up, retrace. I'm expecting it to take support on this level. Again it will be going on a bullish trend, which means it is still in a bullish trend. Trend reversal has not happened. It has only retraced to the previous support and resistance levels. And only when it breaks this trend line or the support line, we can say that bearish trend reversal has happened. So it has to break this support level in order to start its bearish trend. It is on a retracement for now. Let us look at today's economic calendar. So today is Thursday, February 17th. We have high impacting news for Aussie dollar, and at 12:30 p.m. we have low impacting news on Swiss francs, euro currency pairs, and Canadian dollar. At 7 p.m. we have a low impacting news. Again Canadian dollar news is there, and at 7 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar also coming up. So today is a combination of high impacting, low impacting and medium impacting newses are up. So plan your entry and exit based on this news calendar. Let us start with the gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at price action in daily time frame, this level of resistance, which is around 1879, is still holding strong, and the support level 1845 is still holding strong. Currently the price action is trading between this resistance and support level, and it is moving on a sideways. So if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1909, which was a previous high from the past price action. And when we analyze the trend of the current price action, previously it was going on a very nice bullish trend, then it turned into a bearish trend and took support on this trend line from the daily time frame. Then it started its bullish trend again. And when we look at the past price action also, it was on a very nice bullish trend. Retracement happened, came near to this trend line, again bullish trend reversal had happened. So we can notice that this part of the price action is being replicated over here. So if it is correct, we can expect some sort of consolidation similar to this one to be happening over here, then a trend reversal and retest on this trend line or the support line. First the price action has to break this support level of 1845, and next level of support is going to be 1828 to actually give a confirmation on the bearish trend reversal. And currently the price action is still in a very strong bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. Here I have drawn a bullish channel pattern where the price got rejected every time it tested this resistance line over here, and currently also when we notice the price action, it got rejected at the price level of 1879 and bearish trend reversal had happened and took support on the support level of 1844, and currently you can notice that it is again going on a bullish trend to retest on this previous resistance level of 1879. So from this price action we understand that this resistance level of 1879 is acting as a very strong resistance, and this support level of 1844 is acting as a very strong support level, and current price action is kind of consolidating within this support and resistance level. As long as this trend line or the mid line is holding, we can expect a bullish market to continue, but you can notice that it is narrowing down as it goes further. So if the bullish trend continues, we can expect a breakout on the bullish side, but we know from the past price action there was a consolidation over here, then a bearish trend reversal had happened. So we can expect a consolidation to happen over here, then to have a bearish trend reversal. Let us wait and see how the price action goes. Let's mark the support and resistance levels. The values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. Currently you can notice that the price action is trying to form a double top pattern, and if the price action breaks neckline of the double top pattern, we can expect a further fall and retest on this trend line or the channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the next level of support to be around 1791. But for now the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, here we have the 4 hours time frame channel pattern resistance line running over here, and price had taken resistance at this resistance line and a trend reversal had happened, and I have drawn the channel pattern for the hourly time frame also over here. Every time the price action tests this channel pattern resistance line, you can notice that it has always bounced back, and again when the price action retraced, it has taken support on this trend line and went on a bullish side. On the retracement also you can notice that it has taken support on the support line of the bullish channel pattern. Currently the price action is sort of testing the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern. We can expect a consolidation, then a retracement to happen, because in the past we have noticed that price action used to bounce back on the bearish trend whenever it tests this resistance line. But overall when we notice the price action, it is still in a very nice bullish trend, and it is trading within a bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. So when the price action tests this resistance level of 1874, which is from the daily time frame resistance level, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values marked in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. Currently when we notice the price action within this channel pattern also, it is in a very strong bullish trend, taking support on this bullish channel pattern. We can expect the price action to test this higher time frame resistance line, then to bounce back on the bearish side. As long as the price action is trading within this support level of 1844 and resistance level of 1879, we can expect a range bound market to continue in this currency pair. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it has taken resistance on this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame channel pattern and went on a bearish trend reversal, and has taken support on this higher time frame support level of 1844. You can notice that it has formed a double top pattern, then a bullish trend reversal has happened. And here also when we notice it, it has taken resistance on the hourly time frame channel pattern resistance line. It is sort of forming a double top pattern, so we can expect a bearish trend reversal and to take support on this bullish channel pattern support line. So when we notice the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it was on a bullish trend, and currently it is giving a breakout on the bearish side. You can draw trend lines like this to know the trend of the current market. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within the green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price got rejected at the resistance level of 1870 and we can notice the sign of bearish trend reversal. If the trend reversal happens, we can expect it to taking support on the support level of 1857 and still it is trading within a bullish channel pattern. If it doesn't break this support level, we can expect a bullish trend reversal to happen and to retest on this resistance line from the bullish channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, price was on a bearish trend, took support on the bullish channel pattern support line or the trend line, and it was on a very nice bullish trend. And the price got rejected at this resistance line. Currently you can notice that bearish trend reversal is happening. So we can expect the bearish trend to continue and take support on bullish channel pattern support line from the hourly time frame, then to bounce back on the bullish side. I'm expecting the price to trade on a zigzag or on a sideways as long as this support and resistance line of the channel pattern is not broken. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these green color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.